Hello, good morning everybody, welcome back. It's Tuesday the 16th of June 2020. It's time for phonics. So the first thing we need is two columns or two different separate sections on your whiteboard or piece of paper. We're going to be looking for different spellings of the same sound, okay? Like we were starting to work with yesterday. So I'm going to write a word here that has an sound in it, and I want you to sort the word according to how I've spelled the sound. There are going to be two different ways, okay? So for example, if I wrote the word, what's this word? 1, 2, 3. Slim. There's an sound at the end, and it's spelt just with the letter M. One sound spelling. So we have that as our first section. Now remember, pause if you need to, any time, to give yourself more time to get your table ready and to get that first one done, and then we'll move on, okay? And I'm just going to write the sounds as I write the word. Slim. Slim. And remember to say the sounds to read the word again and check, okay? Good, so the next word, is it going to have the same spelling or a different spelling? It will have an sound again, but it might have a slightly different spelling of that sound. Okay, let's have a look. The next word is after 3. 1, 2, 3. Magic. Good. So I'll leave it to you. Is that the same or a different spelling? We can see it's the same. We have the letter M again. So we say, using the syllables, ma, j, I, k, jikma, jik, magic. And in both words, we've got the M spelling of that sound. Okay? Now, what about this word? Okay, after 3, the word is 1, 2, 3. Crumb. Crumb. Now, which is the spelling of the sound in crumb? Listen carefully, think about where it is. Crumb. It's at the end of the word, crumb. Now, what letter or letters do we have? It's that 2-letter spelling, isn't it? Because we don't say crumb. It's a 2-letter spelling of the sound at the end. And that's our next section. We have the sound spelt with M and B. And we can say krum. We can underline that spelling just to show. Okay, the next word. Now listen carefully when you read this word and when I read it to check, okay? So it's a 2-syllable word. A 2-syllable word. Try to read the word. Okay, double check, try again. Okay, the word is nimble. Nimble. So if the word is nimble, where is the sound? Now you might be tricked into thinking that it's the M and the B together, but listen, if that's the same sound, the word is nimble. Nimble. The word is nimble. So where is the sound? Let's have a look. We have nim, bull, nimble. So the sound is just the M on its own, even though there's a B next to it. That's part of the next syllable, isn't it? So nimble, we build into this section with just the M. And we have nimble. Okay. So let's have another word. word is 1, 2, 3. Thumb. Good. Okay, where should that be written? Thumb. Yeah, this is the sound. Thumb. Thumb. We can write it thumb. Okay, let's move on. So what I want you to do is read those words using the sounds, whether you're rubbing it out or whether it's on a piece of paper, but each time you rub out the whole sound, the 2 letters if it's been written with 2 letters. So k, r, ah, and they're both gone. Crumb. Okay, over to you, and then we can move on. Okay, the next thing we need to do is get ourselves a table with 4 sections this time. So you can do the same sort of table, but with 4 clear sections. And again, remember, it doesn't have to be neat. You just need to be able to see where the 4 different sections are. Okay, now we're going to review some spellings of the f sound that we were working with last week. Okay, so again, I'll write the words here, and your job is to read the word and use the sounds to write it into the right section according to its spelling of the f sound. Okay, so for example, the first one is, after 3, 1, 2, 3, fact. Good. And fact, of course, has just an F spelling of the f sound. So here we go. Fact. 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 But there are 3 more, so let's see where we have those different spellings. The next word is, now we're going a little bit quicker, but you can pause if you need some time, okay? In your own time, there's no rush. The word is 1, 2, 3, phone. Okay, so pause and write it in where you think it needs to go, saying the sounds, and then pick back up, and I'll do mine here. Okay, so we've got the PH spelling, of course, so that's our second section. The PH spelling of f, and we say f, o, phone, phone. Okay, the next one is, okay, 1, 2, 3, effort. Effort, effort, effort. Okay, pause and have a try. And we come back together, we have the double F spelling, so that's our third section. The double F spelling of f, and we say second syllable, f, or t, fort, fort, effort. Okay, next word. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Photo. So pause and work that into your table, saying the sounds to write the word. Okay, let's come back together. It's the PH spelling again, isn't it, there? So that's in this section with phone. We say photo. Photo. Okay, next word. One, 2, 3. Defend. Defend. So, over to you. Where on the table? Okay, pause and let's come back together when you're ready. So coming back together, it's the F spelling again of f. So we say with the syllables d, e, d, f, and fend. Defend, defend. next word is 1, 2, 3. Cough. Good. So over to you. Can you work this spelling into your table? Cough. Pause and see if you can do that. Okay, and let's come back together. We've got the GH spelling, haven't we? In cough, we have k, off, cough. So let's write that. That's our final section. The GH spelling of cough. Well remembered, well read. So k, off, k, off, cough. Let's have a few more. Now we've got all 4 sections. We should be able to spot them quicker. So let's have this word. 1, 2, 3. Cuff. Okay, over to you. Build it in. Pause if you need to. And let's come back together. We have the double F spelling of in cuff. 1 syllable. So we say k, cuff. 2 more, I think. So let's have the word 2 syllables. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Triumph. Okay, so the spelling is what we're looking for. So pause and have a try. And we come back together. It's the PH spelling, isn't it? Again, at the end of the word that time. So with the syllables, we say trite, try, try, triumph. And last one for today, the word is 1, 2, 3. Rough. The word is rough. So build that into your table as well. Pause if you need to. And let's come back together. We've got the GH again. So that's our final word. So it's the GH spelling of, and we say rough. 2 letters, 1 sound. So we've got the F spelling of, the PH spelling, the double F spelling, and the GH spelling. 4 different spellings, but just 1 sound in all of those words, okay? So what I want you to do is, again, read the sounds to read the word as you delete or as you move with your finger across your paper. So both letters for the sound, if it's 2 letters, okay? Effort, and so on. And when you've done that, guys, that is you for today. We're not going to do any sentence work today. We're going to carry that on tomorrow, okay? So I'll see you back here at the same time tomorrow. Have a lovely day. Take care.